Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's vlog, update po tayo about e-travel registration. So sa mga nagtatanong po kung paano at pwede daw ba na iisang registration lang sa e-travel ang gagamitin kapag buong pamilya ang magta-travel or sama-sama silang magta-travel? Sagot po is yes. And sa video na to guys, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-add family member sa registration nyo po. So, ito yung first step. Yung main account holder po, dapat meron siyang EGOPH application. So, you can download this po sa Google app. And after that, you need to create an account and register. And until magkaroon po kayo ng Ego PH account, then ito na po ang lalabas. So, paano po makakapag-proceed sa e-travel? So, kailangan pong i-click natin yung icon na travel, yung may aeroplano. Agree po kayo dito kapag willing kayo mag-share ng name, phone, and number, and email po ninyo. Click agree. And ito na po, travel registration. Ang una po muna mag-register is yung may hawak po ng main account. For example, ikaw as a wife, ikaw ang main account holder ng e-travel. So, ikaw muna po ang magre-register. Enter nyo lang po yung mga information about your travel. So, if it is arrival or departure, so, makikita nyo po, ipa-flash ko po mismo yung mga kailangan nyong sagutan sa e-travel form. And after that, click continue and take picture or upload a photo. Ayan guys, kung may photo kayo before the selfie na maganda, then upload nyo na lang. So kung wala, so take pictures. Ayan. And Philippine passport or foreign passport sa mga dual citizen, just choose one. Kung ano yung gagamitin po natin. And then continue po. So input your sex, mobile number, citizenship, country of birth, passport number, occupation, and after makompleto po itong form na to, just click next. And travel departure po natin if we are for holiday, pleasure, or vacation. So, you can choose po, maraming option dito what kind of purpose you have para po sa travel po ninyo. And also, you need to input your flight information like name of airlines and flight number. And also, you need to input your transit or connecting flight. Ready your flight ticket and passport. And your country of destination also you need to input po. And then after you accomplish, next. And Philippine Custom Declarations. Any information guys related to custom declaration, mababasa nyo po yan sa e-travel registration before you can proceed. So, gaya nito guys, that if you are carrying 50,000 pesos, mostly in cash, you need to declare, and also a lot of information so you can read it silently while doing your e-travel registration. So I will proceed now. And Philippine Custom. So, at ikaw ay honest talaga, nangako ka na ay wala ka talagang daladalang 50,000 in cash sa travel mo or any currency like foreign currency amounted to 10,000 US dollar, wala ka, hindi ka nagsinungaling, dineclared mo talaga lahat. So, even though the goods you are carrying, you need to input your signature. And sa pag-create po ng signature, just use your fingertip. Bawal po gamitin yung kuko. So, yung skin nyo po, yan sa dulo, yan po yung gagamitin ninyo para makapag-create po kayo ng signature. Yun yung inyong magiging signature. And ito na guys yung data about family members. So, travel declaration will also be generated for the selected family member. So, in one registration, you can also add your family member. But dito guys, may makikita kayong add family member. Please don't click it yet. So wag mo muna po yan i-click. Continue po muna tayo. Ang summary po ng information na nilagay nyo po sa e-travel registration form, basahin nyo po if lahat tama, yung passport number, yung pangalan nyo po, yung birth date, basahin nyo guys. If lahat po tama, pati po yung inyong custom declaration, if tama po lahat, so you can click submit. And e-travel, congratulations guys! Successful po yung inyong e-travel registration. And ito na po yung inyong QR code. So kindly present your passport to the immigration officer for e-travel registration confirmation and QR code to customs officer for clearance. So guys, paano ba mag-add family member? Continue lang po kayo guys, makikita nyo po ito. New travel declaration or add family member. So at dahil kasama mo ang family mo, kasama mo asawa mo, anak mo, pinsan mo, nanay mo, lahat ng family mo, kasama mo, then click add family member. And sa pag-a-add po ng family member guys, mag-a-upload po kayo ng kanyang picture or pipicturean nyo po siya. Hindi po whole body, dapat po ang visible is yung kanyang face. Para po sa passport ID, ganun, bawal po yung mga nakaposing, bawal din po yung masyadong daring, so dapat formal. So, it's either pipicturean mo siya on time po ng registration or pipicturean mo na siya ahead of time para po i-upload mo na lang yung kanilang mga picture. Yung registration form po ng family member, so the same format po ng registration form like the birth date, mobile number, citizenship, country of birth, passport, ganyan, and permanent country of residence. Saan ba talaga nakatira yung kasama mo? For example, guys, if Philippines yung kanyang main residence, then Philippines. So, kung ang main residence niya is abroad or for example, sa US talaga siya naka-reside, nagbakasyon lang siya ng Pilipinas and magkasama ulit kayo pupunta ng ibang bansa, then ang lalagay niya dito is USA. And what is your relationship to the account owner? So, ano mo ba yung in-add mong family? So, ito lang po yung pwede natin i-add, like your mother, father, daughter, son, sister, brother, husband, wife, cousin, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, grandfather, grandmother, grandchild. So, wala po tayo guys nakikita na girlfriend, boyfriend, live-in, common law partner, adopted. So guys, kung ang kasama nyo po is common law partner ninyo, then you cannot add their information sa e-travel. Kailangan niya po gumawa ng kanyang sariling e-travel registration. Kung ang kasama nyo po is boyfriend, girlfriend, then magkaiba po kayo ng e-travel account. After dyan guys na masubmit nyo, ito na po yung lalabas. So makikita nyo na guys yung pangalan ng family member na inad po natin. So Charles Bagadyong. Yan po yung family member. And if you want to add more family member, for example po, 6 kayo na magbabiyahe sama-sama. And then add lang po kayo ng add ng family member. So just add family member, kompleto nyo po yung process. And after nyan guys, ito po ulit ang lalabas. Yan po yung QR code. So download po the QR code and then i-share nyo lang po yan sa mga family member po na nai-add nyo po sa inyong e-travel registration account. Iisang QR code lang po yung gagamitin ninyo kasi sama-sama po kayong nag-register using one account po. And ito din po yung QR code na ipipresent po nila sa custom po for clearance and for immigration po guys. So you can read guys here, download QR code. So ganyan lang po guys kadali. Ito yung magandang update sa e-travel kasi before wala siya guys, add family member. Pero ngayon meron na kasi dramatic to guys pagdating po sa mga minor. Kasi how can minor manage to register their information po or to enter their information sa e-travel? I hope marami po ulit akong na-inform about this kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa akin like, Miss, I have 1-year-old, 2-year-old child. Paano po yung e-travel nila? Is panoorin nyo po and ito na po yung sagot po sa tanong po ninyo. If you have additional inquiries po, paki-comment po sa comment section. And if you need further assistance, guys, when it comes to immigration, ayan, kinakabahan kayo, you need further advices kung ano yung gagawin po ninyo para hindi kayo ma-offload, ganyan. And for visa application, guys, also, you can email me for assistance. So, ito po yung aking email and Facebook page. Follow me, guys. That is for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching.